This video shows you how to use the EnFlux Proposal Builder to easily combine our products and create a professionally designed presentation. Our products are effective standalone, but become even more compelling when presented as a bundled solution. Let's see how it works by first going to the Proposal Builder page, where you will see the blue links to the items that can be included. They're organized by Project Closers, EnFlux Finance, CPACE, and Energy Solutions, and you can click on each to see how, why, and when to offer each product. The pages are supplemented with handouts and case studies you can share with your customer. Scroll down further to see a menu of examples showing scenarios of how you can combine our products based upon your customer's needs. Notice the example for the commercial office building, which we will now use in a demo showing you how to fill out the proposal builder. Start at Sales Tools and choose the EnFlux Proposal Builder, which will take you to the input page listing all our products. Simply select the ones fitting the needs of your customer to create a customized presentation. Based on our example, you will start out selecting the project savings analysis and the CPACE proposal. When you create a CPACE proposal, handouts will be automatically attached explaining the basics of the program, financial benefits in the CFO's language, special tax benefits for HVAC replacements in 2018, and a credit application. Since the project is for a commercial office building, it's very important to include the triple net lease handout. It explains how CPACE can solve the long-standing misalignment between building owners and their tenants as to the sharing of costs and benefits of equipment replacements. Scroll further down and you'll find the CPACE case study for a retrofit for a commercial office building. Moving on to Energy Solutions, we select Internet capabilities, procurement, and a demand response case study for commercial office buildings. Next step is to personalize the cover page with your customer's name, a description of the project, and a picture you select that will span across the page. And this is what it looks like when you're finished. The cover page contains your company logo, and notice the nice visual effect of the products listed across the picture. The following pages include proposals, handouts, and case studies you've selected based on your customer's needs. It's that simple. This is a perfect example of how we repackage complex products into easy-to-use sales tools and make them simple for you to introduce to your customers. We look forward to helping you grow your business. Thank you.